one of the biggest things I learned this year is let things be. Let people go. Don't chase answers. Don't fight for closure. And never expect an explanation.
What's the one piece of advice you have for someone going through a hard time?
Go right through it. Like right through it. Feel it. Be in it. Don't avoid it. Go completely in it. Feel everything. And then go right through it and get out the other end. Many of these things you don't have a choice. You know, it's that, what's that expression? It's how well you walk through the fire. But you walk through it.
Listen. Results happen over time. Not overnight. Keep working. Stay consistent and be patient. Your time is coming.
Sonia. She was the color.
And one day, you realize it was never about the big things. You realize it's actually about the little moments that feel like magic.
Kaya gusto kong sabihin sa iyo at iwan to sa inyo. Honor your mother. Mahalin niyo ang magulang niyo at ang tatay niyo. Kasi yun ay isa sa importanteng inutos sa atin ng Diyos. Huwag niyong basta
Life update! Ano? Walang pera, laging kulang sa tulog, muntik pa makagat ng aso, laging nilalamig, hindi ko makain ng gulay, walang kiss, walang lambing, walang hug, wala lahat!
Ang dami pala, Brad. Tara na nga.
Oy, yung sinabihan mo na walang mararating, nakarating na ng abroad, sumasahod ng 60K. Eh ikaw, akin umusta mo? Di ka pinautang? O pwede mo na pagkalat, yumabang, lumaki ulo. That's crazy.
Raleigh Lake in Mission?
What is this place?
This is heaven.
Gumawa Ese Canada Bego Yumui.
Dahil for a brief moment na nandun tayo sa lugar na yun, sa oras na yun, pakiramdam natin, kahit saglit, malaya tayo.
Canada. This is Canada Cow.
Bago ka magreklamo, tumingin ka muna sa paligid mo. O hindi ba? Napagtanto mo kung gaano ka kaswerte sa buhay. Nagrereklamo ka sa trabahong meron ka habang yung trabaho mo pinagdarasal pa lang ng iba. Meron kang matibay na tahanan samantalang yung iba walang masilungan, wala kang mauwian.